use a bilingual dictionary. Parts of a bilingual dictionary. Guide words. Page number. Entry word. Pronunciation. Part of the speech. Plural form. Definition. Example. How to use a bilingual dictionary? Number 1. Open your dictionary and look for the letter you need. Number 2. Notice there are words at the top of every page. These words are the clues you need to find specific words in the dictionary. Number 3. If you are looking for the word future, find the F's in the dictionary. Then look at the guide words that start with FU. Now, this is the tricky part. Be careful for the next step. What do you do if many guide words start with FU? You have to look for FUT in the guide words. You are right, those are the first 3 letters in future. Number 4. After that, look at the entry words to find the word you need. Number 5. You will find your word with its part of a speech, pronunciation, definition, and also an example. Number 6. Finally, if your word has more than one definition, you must choose one of them. Now you can find all the words you need.